What's up, everybody? It's Advent of Code Day 2, and we could be not more, shall we say, apropos. I don't know if that's the right word, but it makes me sound sophisticated. Sponsored by Yane Street today. Shout out to the OCaml Legends. We're doing this in core, of course. All right, so let's get to it. You're launched high into the atmosphere from the trebuchets from yesterday. The apex of your trajectory just barely reaches the surface of a large island floating in the sky. You gently land in a fluffy pile of leaves. Convenient. Convenient. It's quite cold, but you don't see much snow, and Elf runs over to greet you. The elf explains that you arrived at Snow Island. Nice. And apologizes for the lack of snow. Is it just called Island now? He'll be happy to explain the situation, but it's a bit of a walk, so you have some time. They don't get many visitors up here. Would you like to play a game in the meantime? Yes. For 2 stars, I'll play a game. For 2 stars, I'll play a game, of course. As you walk, the elf shows you a small bag and some cubes, which are either red, green, or blue. Okay, nice. Here we go. We already can do this. Ready? Time to put in some types, baby. Type color. Red, green, blue. Let's go. Let's go. Too many arguments for a name? Can I not do that? How did I do this last time? Wait, how did I do this last time, chat? Oh no, I forgot. Oh, here's our advice. Remember, I have to make fun of closure today to get some subs. Don't let me forget, chat. Public names. Oh, it has names. Nice. I didn't know I could do this. And then names. I didn't realize I could do that. Either the name or public name must be present. Public names. Public names. What did I executables? Oh, cool. There we go. Nice. All right, we're in, chat. We're in. Okay, we got our types in. We're ready to go. Part 1, day 1, part 2 was wild. It wasn't so bad. Isn't OCaml more verbose than Rust? What? Chat? I failed to get it last night. I can't figure out parsing and interlining. I'm big dumb. No, Nightshade, you're not failing. You're trying something new. You're automatically winning. A bunch of chats like, I'm too stupid to try a new language. No. The only thing stupid is to not try a new language unless you want to get better at one that you're already good at. But then that's different. I can't say because like I want to learn OCaml better. But anyways, okay, so each time you play this game, he will hide a secret number of cubes of each color in the bag, and your goal is to figure out information about the number of cubes. To get information, once a bag has been loaded with cubes, the elf will reach into the bag, grab a handful of random cubes, show them to you, and then put them back in the bag. He'll do this a few times per game. You play several games and record the information from each game. Your puzzle input, nice, like this. 3 blue, 4 red, 1 red, 2 green, 6 blue, 2 green. Okay, so these are the different ones, I'm guessing. Each game is listed with its ID. Nice. Like the 11 in game 11, followed by a semicolon separated list of subsets of cubes that were revealed from the bag, like 3 red, 5 green, 4 blue. Okay, that part makes sense. For example, here's the record. This day 2 first part was okay. I made ON cubed, but it worked. Nice. In game 1, 3 sets of cubes are revealed from the bag and then put back again. 1, 2, 3. Yep. The first set is 3 blue, 4 red. The second is 1 red, 2 green. Yep. The elf would first like to know which games would have been possible. The elf would first like to know which games would have been possible if the bag contained only 12 red cubes, 13 green cubes, and 14 blue cubes. When he takes them out, they're removed forever. You get information once back in the loads of cubes. Show them to you, and then put them back. No, they're put back in the bag. I know, Oscar. I was thinking maybe we'll do. Maybe we'll do. I filter kidding. Okay, I'm for hello. Oh dang! What happened? Did you try? Are you doing it with Dune? We might do Angstrom, but it kind of still feels overkill for this one. But we'll see. Games 1, 2, and 5. Okay, because this one has 20 red, and that's more than this, right? For game 3 would have been impossible. Yep, because it has 20 red, right? That's what we're saying. Because the elf showed you 15 blue cubes at once. Wait, what? Doesn't 10? I'm confused. Let me. It would have been possible. However, game 3 would have been impossible because at one time, oh, showed you 20 red cubes. Game 4, oh, I skipped a line. Showed you 15. Nice. Skipped a line. Yep. I was just confused because I saw 20 red in this one, and then I saw 15 blue here, but I just was trying to read fast. If you add up the IDs of the games that would have been possible, you get 8. Nice. I think, Vitter, now it's really not so bad. I think I'm going to make a video about it. But, like, it really is, like, get OPAM. You can run OPAM init, and then you just activate it, and boom, you're here. Prime reading. I know, I'm trying to get more viewers, so, like, we're trying... I heard, like, being unable to read is a very attractive quality for Twitch chatters. Like, they're really thinking, wow, you can't read, you're like me. Like, I don't know what it is, you know? Remember games would have been possible if the bag had been loaded with only 12, 13, and 14. Engagement bait. There's way more steps. Yeah, it's been simplified by a lot. There has been a lot of really awesome work done by the OCaml platform team. And then you can just literally install this after you do this. And you have like your LSP and everything you need. It's awesome. It's really, really good. He's just like me, for real. Okay. So my initial thought is, well, like probably the first thing we should do is get, how can I say this? We should just get each line by itself, right? Yeah, Mason probably works fine too. And then, I mean, it's basically that we're just looking for, oh my goodness. Actually, you know what? Know what we think we can do for this, chat? Okay. Let's look at our puzzle input. I'm wondering what the biggest number is. Are they all... There's no, like, 100, is there? So, like, what if you just search each line for number red, number blue, number green? You just check if... Like, you can literally just, like, regex them for, like, digit space red. Right? And then turn those into numbers and check if it's bigger than 12. Should we do something goofy like that where we don't even parse it at all? Yeah, well, like this, you could solve this one with like core utils style stuff, like really easy. It just seems kind of funny to basically do like, you know, string.search. We're basically like string search, you know, digit red, more or less like this, right? And then like, right, you have this as a capture. And then you're like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You just turn that into a number and check if it's bigger than 12. But we're gonna have to parse the lines, are we not? Like, surely we have to parse the lines later for the second stage, right? So I feel like we should just write it so that we parse the line. It's just kind of funny. So this is the kind of stuff, though, that you should think about for AOC. I think particularly for part 1. As you get further along, after doing these for a few years, I think I've done it for like 2 years, somewhat seriously. You do want to look for like the dumb solution for part 1. Because usually there is one. Like this is literally, all we have to do is find out, did we use 13 or more cubes, 14 or more, or 15 or more, right? Oh, did Prime just get on? Oh, that's funny. Oh, bummer. I should have got on earlier. Too much time with the family. Okay. All right. I kind of want to just write this one. So let's do like, I want to do it this way just for the memes. We got to put in our thing here, right? Wait, what is Advent read lines? It's just a function. I made a library called Advent that has some of my simple stuff, right? It's one project, so just put some utilities for yourself. Okay. Man, I'm so tempted. Are they just... They're also just... It just always goes up to the next number, right? So it's like, if we list it or I know what the index is, right? Wait, what is this? That's weird. It's a weird type. Yo, what's up, Wusa? Okay, so basically now we want to do... Okay, what's my easiest way of doing this, right? Basically, I want to say, like, let pattern is dd red, like this, right? And then I want to do... Is there a regex in this? String reg. Pattern, maybe? Search. Reg. Search pattern. Oops. Search pattern. Pattern as per can build an int array length pattern. All names are bound. Base my LSP. Never record base my LSP does not even recognize them. That seems weird. I thought there was like OCaml regex library. I know. Sorry to be. We have one in stir? I don't think so. Oh, this is a separate library that I could download. Free with combinators supporting several formats. That'd probably work. We could add this, I guess. Should we just add this? Now I'm thinking, am I really going to do all of this just to do the meme way? Yes. Let's probably just Yeah. Okay, nice. Oh, maybe I already had this. POSIX. Compile. Red like this, right? So what can I do with this? All. Reg line. This gives a list of these. How do I use this? Okay, then what do I do with them, right? This is a regroup T list. Re-dot. Oh, nice. Illegal backslash? Do I have to do it like this? Oh, it's not a... Oh, it's not print. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to... How can I print what these are even matches? You wouldn't download a Regex. I already did. I'm interested in learning OCaml. OCaml.org is really good. They have like examples in here or anything? Lib test maybe? How can I print... How can I even print these off? Read out matches. Split read white space. You should apply to Jane Street. No, I don't. Well, one, I can't go to New York, chat. How can I actually print this? List map quote string concat. Like, what is this? What is this type here? Type group. As is control every match with group 0. Get opt. Start, stop, all, offset. Oh, group. Okay. Is this... So what's going on here? 93. Oh, is this not POSIX? What would this be? Perl, maybe? Oh. Okay, nice. Chat, we found all the red ones. Decent portion of engineers. I don't know. I don't want to talk about work. It's Saturday. You can ask me about it on Monday if you want. 5 lines and 100 parentheses. Yeah. But I wouldn't say a majority or like a decent portion. I don't know what decent portion would mean to you. It's sort of hard to say. Okay. 30%. I don't think so. Yeah. Okay. So we have, here's how we find our like red matches, right? And then how do I get this out of here? How do I get the value out of this? I guess I need these. This gives me repeatedly calls and giving starting at position and length. Okay. Let result or something like that. Dot matches. What is this return? This is a group T. Group dot all. Nice. Oops. Right, so this should be a string array. And then let's do... Oh, I probably want to do something like... Well, we'll do this for a sec first. List, iter, group matches. 。 string. Oh, string array. That makes sense. Match values 20. Nice. What happens if I do this? And then I want to say group dot get opt 1. So this should just be a string option. If, I guess we just don't need this part anymore. Match group matches. Or we can say option dot iter group matches f matched. There we go. Let's go, chat. Okay. Okay, nice. So we got the 20 from this, right? Here's our 20 and here's our 14. Here's our 14, right? So then, so what we want to do is we want to do option.map group matches. F fun m. We want to do string dot or int dot of string. Oh yeah, of string m. So let's do this as well. And this is actually going to be list filter, because we basically need to do this for each of them, right? I really should not be writing it this way. I'm going to end up doing more work. It's just funny this way. Because here's, so let's just write it like this first, right? Green matches. What was my other color? Blue. Blue and green. Okay. Right? So now we basically have, oh, you know, it'd be kind of funny is if we did, so we could write this like, conditions, something like this. We put this here. We go like this. We go, how many red did we say we had? 12 red. This, right? And then we go here and we go 13 green, and then we go, oops, 15 blue. 14 blue or 15 blue? 14. Okay, we'll fix that in a sec. And then these all just go here, and then this should be 14. Okay, nice. All right, so now we basically got our conditions and this, right? So we're going to go for each line. Actually, what we want to do is we want to go fold init is 0. There's got to be fold I, right? Nice. Okay. So here's our ACK. And then at the end, we do ACK plus IDX. We'll say something like this, right? And then, sorry, one check, chat. Part 1. Okay. QFest, what's up, Teggett? All right, so in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to say we want none of these cases to match, right? So basically, we want to do if any of these fail, then we're in trouble, right? So we basically want to go list dot filter conditions, fun, condition. So then we can do, this gets the matches on the line, condition. Then this gets the, right. Yeah, okay. So then we gotta actually, let's put both of these in here. Yeah, I know, LSP, I know you're angry. I know. We'll just do this for 1 sec. This is not how I would normally write this, so it's frustrated. Okay, so here's our conditions, which is, oh right, this is a max, or we'll say number and condition, right? So now this should be a group T list. Now we're gonna filter. We're looking to find this, I think. If any of these fail, find matches here. So if any of these fail, right. Okay. So we can say this gets us all of these. This is all the groups. Chat, you gotta be careful. We got some crazy mods out there. So this would be match group matches with some m int.ofString m greater than, let's say when int of m string m greater than number, then what are we gonna do? We're gonna say true, otherwise false. Okay. So this should give us some option. This says that we've found one that why not both? Streaming at the same time as Prime. Supposed to watch. Why not both? Exactly. So now we have the index, right? So what we want to say is let invalid is this, right? In here. Yep. So this should filter each of the conditions. So this says if we have any of these lists, okay, then they should be some. Yeah. So this is broken. This is if any of the conditions are true. So then this tells me if this is a list left. Nice. So then we can go if list length invalid greater than 0, then ACK was ODS, else ACK. Plus 1. There's no way, right? Okay. Oh, we gotta enable these back. Okay. All right, so condition group matches. Oh, how did I get the group matches again? Let group matches. Re.group.all m here, right? What does this turn into? A string array. This is all the matches, right? Wait, can I do this here? No, because this is a list of groups. Okay, yep, that's fine. We'll put this here. Oh, this is getting kind of annoying. Oh, no, I don't need to do this. I just say get and m and 0. Because we only need the first one. Right, and there should be opt, because it's possible we don't have any. String option. Expression was regroup option, but an expression type unit because it's in the left side of the sequence. Oh. Right, because this should return an option, and this should do this. Right. No? What? Find returns an option, does it not? And does not filter want it? Type string? Oh. I call it line twice. Okay, let's see. Int of string 20 red. Okay. Oh, this needs to be the first match. 4? Is that right? You'd get 8. Okay. Let's hodl. Yes, Torque. I think that's true. So I was trying to do kind of like a dumb, basically a dumb one. So let's see. Let me see if I did this right though. So we're going to filter each of the conditions. We're going to look for, are any of these conditions, if invalid is greater than 0, then we're going to, oh, no. Nice. There we go. Put 5-minute timer for an complete part 1. Nice. I did this one funny. Okay, so it's working, I think. Let's try it with the real puzzle input. And we'll see. If it works, I'll be really pleased because it's like, it's a terrible solution. But that's sometimes fun to do too. Right? So let's go back to here. And instead of test, we'll do prod. 99, it says. That's suspicious. Doesn't seem that many. It's not the right answer. Okay. So let's check here. The one option would be that we... Oh, we're in trouble now. I know, second try. I probably should have looked this over a little bit more first. Because we're getting the right answer here, right? We are getting 8. First try of the second try. So let's try here. Let's do in or valid line. Let's just make sure we're getting the right ones. Whoops. So valid line 1, 2, and 4. Those are the right ones. 1, 2, and 5. Okay, so we scuffed something here. We scuffed something. Wait, 1, 2, and 4. What the heck? How did we get 8? Am I crazy? How is it turning from 2 to 4 here? Chat? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain what did I do here? It should be... I didn't do a multiply anywhere, did I? Okay. What am I missing here? Ac is 1. So how is it that if I do IDX plus 1 and ac, IDX plus 1, what am I? Hold I. Unless I have this, do I have this not right? Fold I should be T and init and F. F should take fun, I and accumulator and V. Did I do I have this backwards here? Should this be something else? Is this supposed to be IDX and this is AC? That's honestly the unluckiest. That's the unluckiest fail, chat. That seems pretty unlucky. I got the right answer from switching IDX and AC. I didn't know that fold I takes the accumulator here and then the line. So it keeps these two in the same spot. Right, because now we have 1, add that to 2, that's 3, and then 5. That is a big skill issue. Okay, so let's go back to test, and we'll do to prod. That's pretty funny though. That's literally skill issue. Okay, that seems way more reasonable. That seems way more reasonable. Didn't read the docs. Unfortunately, this is the doc. So okay, so I'm still learning, all right? So relax, chat. Okay, so let's see what part 2 is. The elf says they're supposed to stop producing smoke because we aren't getting enough water. Should have asked on Stack Overflow. I don't think there's a big blossoming OCaml scene there. He's not sure why the water stopped. However, he can just show you how to get the water source and check it out for yourself. It's just up ahead. Continue your walk to Alpha section. In each game you played, what is the fewest number of cubes each color could have been in the bag to make the game possible? Again, consider the following example from earlier. In game 1, the game could have been played with as few as 4 red, 2 blue, and 6 green. The power of a set of cubes equal to the number of red, blue, and green multiplied together. The power of the minimum set in game 1 is 48. Adding up those 5 powers. Okay. Failing more is new. Okay, right now. Okay. All right, so Windows users, please leave the chat. Thanks. Maybe he's like a real GPL evangelist or something, Dota 2. You know, like he can't even be in the presence of Windows users. All right, so this one, now we actually have to parse these. Well, that sucks. That sucks. So we're looking for the min of each one separately, right? I'm trying to think if there's a cute way we can do it with this again, because I really like that we did this. I really like that this is... oh, right, yeah, the max of each individual one, right? And that's the minimum that it can be played with. Yeah, right. So, I think we still can do this. What happens if I do... is it question mark? Will this still work? Nice. Or I probably can just do star plus, probably. Right? And this will probably work. Nice. Okay, so this is how we can get all the reds and greens and blues from each one. Right? So, this is Oh Camel, My Camel. This probably we can clean up, I would guess. I would guess that we can get this cleaned up. But let's hodl, okay? So if we take these, so this is going to be part 2. Oh, we should probably comment this out. So let lines, advent read lines. Let, I don't know, searches is this, right? Probably just do ac plus. I also like this way better. Nice. Hey, thanks, noob. Actually, Windows. I'm on Windows right now, chat. Not for the code, but for here. For here, chat. Oh, baby. Look at that sweet, sweet, sweet Windows. Oh, baby. Don't tell anyone. Let's keep it a secret between you and me, chap. Be ready to pay the subscription fee for Windows 12. Windows 11 to get the worst experience possible. I don't use the computer really. It just sits here and installs Windows updates every night. Right? And then I stream from it. All right, so here you go. So here's our searches, right? And we should just say... so what are we trying to do? This one's actually not so bad. This is actually, in some ways, I think, almost easier. Is that crazy? Wait, why is it saying... Because it doesn't know fold I lines ac plus idx, something like this, right? What? Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay. Sweet. All right, so that's, we don't have anything right now in this one, so that's fine. So what are we going to do for each line? Basically what we're going to do, pricing a speedrun on day 2, feeling horrible, we took 3 minutes, more than 15. Nice. We're going to finish. We're almost done. So now what we can do, which is funny. So chat, one thing for some of these problems you have to realize, some stuff just doesn't matter. Some stuff just doesn't matter. So for example, in part 1, we actually didn't care about games at all. You just had to look for big numbers. So we found the big numbers and we failed. In this one, games don't matter again. Right? They just don't matter again. You're just looking for the max number of each of these on each line, right? So like, so now we can do this, right? So let's just do it for the red one here, right? So let's just do this and say like, let search or something like this is equal to this, right? So we compile this guy here. So what did we do last time? We match everything on this line. Okay. We'll call this condition. That's a better name. But it's not a better name, but we'll switch it later. So now we have these matches, right? So what are we going to do in here? What we want to do is we want to, we're basically going to fold over this, right? So like let maximum is list fold. And what are we going to do? We're going to fold the matches on this line, init 0. Init 1 probably is best. But I don't think it super matters because we should have one of every single one. Function, and then I got to remember how to, I haven't used this very much before, right? So basically we need to do this here. Fun M. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. So then we can do this. We can do match this with, oh, but now we're doing fold. So now we have to have our accumulator. Sum, let's say num, when int of string num is greater than accumulator, right? Then we're going to say num, otherwise ac. And this should be a number as well, right? That's an integer. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We can say maximums is list.map searches fun condition to here. We don't need this and we don't need this anymore. We can say which one is this? This is the one we want here. Maximums is an int list, right? So plus I guess it's list fold. So let's say let power is list fold init1, f is plus, and the value is maximums. In here, power. String. Oh, right. 2728, is that right? These 5 powers produces 2286. Oh, that's not I did it with the prod, not the, let's do it with the test one. Just to see. 107. We're supposed to be adding up the 5 powers produces the sum 2286. Okay, so we didn't do that one right yet. Let me see. So we've got red, green, and blue. For each of the lines, we're going to add the power together. Maximums. Init1. Oh, I didn't multiply. Whoops. There we go. Sweet. Okay. That's good. So we'll see if this is right. Not going to think about it, just going to run it. Nice. Filter map and then reduce a max instead of the fold. Not even a bet. We don't need to do bets here, so we always get it right first try, basically. Except for the one earlier today where I didn't know that these got changed. But that's okay. All right, we're done. When I mapped the option. Could you do a filter map and then a max reduce? Oh, I see what you're saying. Possibly, yeah. All with Regex. We didn't even have a concept of games in this one. Right, nice, Wusa. Right, you don't even need to keep track of the game. Here, chat, watch this. Oh, wait. He's going to get a notification. He's going to get a notification right here. Or no, he won't get it here. He'll get it in his sub thing, but he's not over there right now. Where's his camera? He's not showing his face anymore? He's not showing his face, chat? What's going on? I should share. Do you want to be a non-coding CTO? I mean, at some point you'd have to be. What should I say? I used Regex today. I would prefer to code or be involved as long as I can be a good person doing it. I used Regex today. You're an evil man. You're an evil man. In JavaScript to see how bad it was. I did it in 10 minutes in 8 seconds. I feel like I'm just a chump and a loser. Yeah, I could turn him up. Thank you very much, Teach. I appreciate that. 42 months. Could you actually not code? I don't know. There we go. All right, that's fine. We'll come back to him later.